Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport. Today I'm going to show you how to change your pollen filter on a Porsche 981. That's very nice. Anyway, first thing you're going to do, very easy. Put your hand there, this hole here, and then pull up. Same thing, pull up. Grab the middle, pull a little bit out, up. Grab the yellow lever there, swing it around, and then put in a hole, pretty much like that. So now we're going to replace the pollen filter. This is the outside pollen filter, and there's one inside underneath the glove box as well. Okay, so look at the dirt from there. That's what you're breathing in. That's really rubbish. That should be done every year. People say every 2 years, but I'll tell you right now, that's what you're breathing in. You might as well change it every service because it's just too dirty. You don't want to breathe dirty stuff inside the car, especially when you have kids in the cabin. It's not good. So now you're just gonna unclip these ones here by pulling them that back. Watch my hand. Unclip and pull up. Unclip. Unclip. Here as well, here, here. It all clips on. So sometimes you can actually just take these out, make it easier. Put it on the floor because you got to get to that one there. The back one here is a bit hard, so you sort of got to use two hands. So one hand hold this up, and the other hand to unclip them. Those two there. And then you can actually bring this cover back up so you can replace it. Okay, there's a trick I can show you can do if you want. I'll show you how to do that trick. If you can just don't want to do it this way, you can just grab the filter like this, like that. This is the good trick because most of the time you take it out, you crack the cover and you just pull it out like this. See that? Look at the arrow. They have arrows there. Sometimes they have an arrow there. This one doesn't have arrow. That's a part number there. So the same thing you do is just push it in and then slide it in like that. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, that's the brand new one. Look how dirty this is. Look how clean that one is. So we don't need that one. So now we're going to I'm going to try to do it with one hand. You don't really need to take that cover off. You can just slide it in here like that. Like this. But what I'll do is I'll take the cover off, so I'll show you what I mean, and then I'll slide it again later. Okay, I've taken that one off. The most important one you gotta watch for is the one underneath here. You have to lift this cover off to get to it. That one there. That one there, and that one there, and that one there. Those four, 1, 2, 3, 4, the one you gotta watch out for. So this is where the actual pollen filter goes. So what you gotta do is just gotta put the pollen filter in like this. Look, drop it in and just tap it in. See how you gotta go in a cutout there? There's a cutout for it. So just watch it go in. There's the tracks there. It's gonna sit inside those tracks like a train tracks. So just watch my hand. Just slide it in slowly. Just slowly. It will go in by itself. Make sure that part there is fully touch the back, and then make sure that's straight like that, so it looks like this. And then now you can just put the cover back on. Just got to make sure you line it up. Make sure that grommet's in properly, because otherwise it will leak water into the actual cabin. It's a really bad design there, but it is what it is. Okay, so now we've got to put the cover on. Just got to line up the lugs, these ones with these ones. So it's very easy anyway. Line up that hole there. There's a cover there. Only goes one way. And make sure this part here is the trickiest part. Is this part here. You gotta lift this part up so you can slide it in. So I'm gonna press pause. And there's a little locator. 2 locators. So that one there is gonna go into that hole there. And then there's another one there on this side here. it's got to go into that hole as well. Once those two go in, then the whole thing is lined up properly. Got to watch out for those two. But you need to lift this up. One hand to lift this up while you're installing this properly. I can't do that with one hand. Okay, see that little locator I was talking about? So see how it's inside the hole there? And then the other side there, it's inside the hole. And now you can look at the actual lugs, make sure they're all lined up here. That's lined up, that's lined up, that's lined up. Sorry, I'm taking my time to do a long video. That's lined up as well. And the back one looks lined up. I have to do a longer video just to show you how it's done properly. And then you can just go. That's it, done. Everything is in, and that's it. And the other way I was talking about is you can just undo this lug here and that one, that one, and that one, and that one, and then sort of push this a little bit up. You can just slide it out and slide it in between that and that. That's the actual shortcut, but I don't recommend it. You can do it if you want to, but you can't do it that way. But just do it the longer way. It's only like 1 minute more. Okay, and when you change the battery, even though the covers, they come with these little covers here, they don't fit properly. I usually just cut them to put them on. Just doesn't have to be 100% on properly. So that way, I just put them on because they do protect the terminals from touching anything else. Okay, so that's all done. The video is a bit too long, it doesn't matter. So now I'm gonna bring this one in. Just gotta slide it in there like that. Sort of go in like that by itself. That one's gotta go back in under here. That one's gotta go back, sorry. It's gotta go back in here. And then this one goes in like that. And just go in, and then make sure the rubber is over that. That's pretty much done. So Porsche 981, 991 as well, both the same way, and 991 Mark II, same way as well, which is that one there, this one here. So okay. I hope that video will help somebody out there. The inside one is inside underneath the glove box. I have to do another video on that one separate to do the job properly. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.